Demand for energy is driving power supply units for industrial and data center servers to the breaking point. The AI transformation needs a power supply revolution. Here's a small part of it. Cascode configured JFET semiconductors from onsemi. Smaller, lighter, more efficient. The best choice for switch mode power conversion. A Cascode JFET combines the benefits of silicon carbide and silicon. Low voltage silicon MOSFET gives the high performance, high voltage, normally on silicon carbide JFET the normally off behavior that everyday applications require. With the lowest possible on resistance, extremely low turn-off switching loss, very low body diode forward voltage drop, plus flexible gate drive voltage range, ensuring the device stays off by default in the event of gate drive loss. Delivering the best on-resistance performance achievable with any silicon carbide technology for its given chip area or any given package type, as close to the theoretical minimum on-resistance for any given breakdown voltage, the unipolar limit as has ever been achieved. With the lowest on-resistance possible for a given breakdown voltage for the 4H silicon carbide polytype. Onsemi Cascode JFETs crash through the limits of traditional silicon technology, delivering the lowest on-resistance to optimize power efficiency with power density, all while providing the lowest operational cost, the lowest cost bill of materials, the smallest system size, and the easiest and most effective means of thermal management. EliteSiC Cascode JFETs turn on fully with only 12 volts gate charge. Compared with alternative suppliers' silicon carbide MOSFETs needing 15 or even 18 volts, saving gate drive charge while providing higher efficiency at lighter load. CJFET devices have faster switching, cooler operation, and enable smaller passive component size with high switching frequency, offering a compelling replacement for IGBT, superjunction MOSFET, and silicon carbide MOSFETs in switch mode applications. These performance benefits result in higher power density, lower operational costs, and reduced bill of materials. EliteSiC Cascode JFETs can be seamlessly integrated into existing power switching designs using easily adaptable off-the-shelf gate drivers. Typical power supplies with high switching frequencies produce higher electromagnetic interference and greater noise. Raising gate resistance reduces noise, but slows down switching speed. Switching an onsemi Cascode JFET using an RC snubber breaks through this trade-off. In conjunction with a paired resistor-capacitor snubber circuit, EliteSiC Cascode JFETs provide lower switching losses than traditional gate resistors, while delivering lower electromagnetic interference due to fewer oscillations. Switching onsemi Cascode JFETs with a simple resistor-capacitor snubber means gate resistance is small and switching speed remains fast, while the RC snubber controls both oscillation and overshoot. Onsemi silicon carbide Cascode JFETs, lowest on resistance, fastest switching speed, easiest thermal management, and lowest noise, no trade-offs, answering AI's demand for power efficiently. Reliable, compact, efficient, safe, cost reduction. The future of industrial infrastructure power is here. EliteSiC Cascode JFETs from onsemi.